In this movie, I will discuss the various versions of Visual Basic 2008. Recognize that Visual Basic is automatically packaged with the Visual Studio environment. You can also purchase Visual Basic 2008 as a separate tool. It comes in the following editions: the Express Edition, which is free, the Standard Edition, the Professional Edition, and a Team System Edition. During this course, I will be using the Professional Edition. The Team System Edition is typically only used in large enterprise type applications. To find out more information about each edition and its similarities and differences, you can click on Help in any of the editions of Visual Basic. A great way to get started in the Visual Basic environment is to download for free from Microsoft the Visual Basic Express Edition. The URL to do so is from Microsoft.com and is displayed for you. This is a totally free, fully functional version of Visual Basic 2008. In fact, all of the projects that I'll be demonstrating and are available to you through this tutorial are also executable under the Visual Basic Express Edition. It's a great way to get started in the Visual Basic experience. If you're familiar with Visual Basic and its previous editions, there are some new features that are now available in the 2008 version. There is a richer IntelliSense, which makes coding even easier. As you begin to write code, you will be given a tremendous amount of feedback and help as you enter code, and the IntelliSense will make suggestions for you, which greatly reduces errors and the time that it takes to create applications. In the 2008 version, there are new printing features. There is also a new utility called LINQ, which is the Language Integrated Queries utility. There is a greater compatibility with XML files, and there is a new tool called the Windows Presentation Foundation, or WPF. There are other features as well that are new to VB 2008, and as we continue in this tutorial, we will discover them. So you as the programmer can write code in a specific language, but ultimately all these languages get compiled to a common language which is then recognized by the .NET 3.5 framework. Keep in mind that when you install any version of Visual Basic, you will also be installing, if you don't already have it on your computer, the .NET 3.5 framework. This is a free download that is also available from Microsoft.